If your fridge left only frozen beans and eggs, just like my current situation, haha, you may make this steamed egg with frozen beans dish. This steamed egg recipe is simple and anyone can make it, but it's still delicious. Of course, eggs are delicious no matter how you cook them, right? There are thousands of delicious recipes in my channel. If you love cooking, do follow me now, so you may visit my channel anytime to find inspiration for your cooking. This mixed vegetable steamed egg is delicious and nutritious. Save the recipe now. In terms of egg nutrient absorption and digestibility, boiled and steamed eggs, in addition to boiled eggs, the method of steaming eggs retains the most nutritional value among all methods. Eggs. Mixed vegetable: carrot, green peas, and corn kernels. Crack eggs into bowl. One teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon chicken powder. Add water. Mix well. Sieve egg liquid. Add mixed vegetable. Wrap with food wrap. Poke holes with fox. Steam when rice cooking for 8–10 minutes. Remove steamed egg from rice cooker. Garnish with fried shallots. Drizzle sesame oil. Delicious steamed egg with mixed vegetables is done. Omit fried shallot if you dislike, just replace it with spring onions or eat it plainly. This dish suitable to consume by whole family, simple, delicious, and save time recipes. You may replace with soup broth for this recipe too. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. 1. Excessive intake of protein has adverse effects on the liver and kidneys, etc. Indigestion will also leave toxins behind, especially for the elderly. It is best not to eat more than 1 egg a day. Whether you are a eater or an ordinary person, you can just eat an egg in the morning without throwing away the yolk. Developmental adolescents and children can eat 2 eggs a day. It is best not to exceed 5 per person per week. As long as you are not allergic to eggs, you can eat them. There are no absolute contraindications. However, considering the cholesterol in egg yolks, some people need to control their consumption or discard the yolks. Egg yolks contain fat, which may aggravate the symptoms of cholecystitis and pancreatitis. It is best not to eat egg yolks for such patients. Patients with high blood pressure and hyperlipidemia should control their cholesterol intake and eat eggs in a controlled amount. Generally, they should not eat more than 1 egg a day. In addition to being rich in high-quality protein, steamed eggs also contain other important micronutrients, such as potassium, sodium, magnesium, phosphorus, etc. In addition, steamed eggs are also rich in vitamins A, B2, B6, D, E, and biotin, especially in egg yolk. Vitamins A, D, and E dissolve with fat and are easily absorbed and utilized by the body. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. There are more steamed eggs recipe in my channel. Do check them out. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya.